Welcome everyone to the Ultimate Emoji Quiz. Here's how it works. We'll show you 2 emojis and you have 10 seconds to guess the compound word they make. For every word you get right, you get 1 point. So keep track of your score, and when this video is over, I want to see every single one of you in the comments telling me how you did. Ready to play? Let's get started with the first one. In 3, 2, 1, now! Starfish, you're a rock star at this game. Dive right into this next oceanic offering. Dragonfly, a mythical level correct guess. Here's a fire-breathing new challenge. Cupcake. That was a sweet, sweet victory. You've earned a bite of the next puzzle. Bookshelf. Well read and well guessed. Let's see what story this next pair tells. Raincoat, you're definitely weathering this quiz.